chapter 1 for Microsoft Word. Well, let's get started. Microsoft Word as a tool evolved right from your DOS prompt. We do a lot of typing. But what does that mean for us? It simply means we're expressing our words. We've heard the term where the words are mightier than the sword. And this is what Microsoft Word is going to do. And we here are going to help you achieve that in your day-to-day life, in your businesses, in your practices, and how you can make the best out of it. Let's get familiar with the entire screens for Microsoft Word. You've seen it a million times. A double click with word W written on your screens. What does that mean and how it's going to help you is what we're going to be covering in this course. Let's start with the basics. The basics entail a white screen. You double click it on the desktop. And what do you see? A white screen coming saying blank document. Well, that's not going to be blank anymore. Hi, and welcome to chapter 2 on formatting. Formatting is a very, very important part of the Microsoft Word. And you're wondering why. Every word put out there needs to show its significance, needs to show how important it is, how to make bullets, tables. We're going to cover all of this slowly in every chapter. In this particular chapter, I'm going to show you about formatting characters a little more in detail, including how to install a font. A lot of my friends out here come from a Hindi background. A lot of these documents here and today want to have Hindi as a more progressive, more efficient in your day-to-day life and help you, show you how to use your computer to its complete efficiency in Microsoft Word. So guys, hold on to your seats as we move on to the formatting of characters a little more in detail. Hi again. Well, I hope you enjoyed the first two courses. We're moving into a little more advanced to give you more structure and more feasibility into the Microsoft Word suite. What are we going to do? My favorite, paragraph formatting. We're going to talk about line indents, we're going to talk about spacing, we're going to talk how to make your document even more richer and show you differences in each level that's possible. So, let's go. So as you can see here, we have our list from our previous session. Let's increase the spaces between them. This item here is your entire paragraph menu. You have indents and spacing, you have alignment, you have outline level, left, right, exactly how many centimeters you want differences in, the spacing, and a preview. Hi, and welcome to a new chapter in the Microsoft Word suite. After covering about formatting, talking about your fonts, talking about the overview, we're going to go to the next menu item, about inserting. Let me tell you a little more about inserting. Microsoft Word automatically comes with smart thinking, giving you more feasibility in understanding what you need to do next, the next move. Let's make a picture, let's make a table. In the earlier days, we had to actually draw these lines. Now, no more. The insert function allows you to add video, make it more creative by adding pictures, create a photo frame, giving your content a picture to see. We all know a picture speaks a million words. So say you have a long story, but you want to have a lovely cover to it. Or you want to create your resume, you want to put your picture right at the top. Creating a header menu, a footer menu, These are very basic items that are required in Microsoft Document. And wow, we've completed 4 chapters up to now. Wasn't that an exciting journey? We've learned the overview, we've gone through line paragraphs, we've learned about inserting objects, headers and footers. What's next, you're wondering? Well, the page layout. Microsoft Word comes with an interesting and a very capable tool called themes. You're wondering, why would you require a theme for a Microsoft Word document? Not thinking big, my friend. If you were giving this document to an editor for a newspaper, or you're giving your loved one her entire poem, wouldn't you want to make it look beautiful? Or you're giving your resume out there, wouldn't you want to have those crisp looking documents or these line margins? You're thinking probably I'm exaggerating. I'm not. Go online, you can check out our resume writing skills the way you want them, and you will see that. So I'm going to dive in right now